What's happening, Moola? Jason Shepard here. It's episode 3 of $5 Fridays. What is up, Moola? Jason Shepard here. It's episode 3 of $5 Fridays, and check it out. Good news, well, we're over $100 now, so that seems like significant, so that's exciting. Bad news, but there's really never bad news. We're gonna look at it in a good way. Both our positions are down, and when you're talking $100, being down $1 and $1, you're down 2.5%. At that point. Some people right here, episode 3, would just put in the towel, say, I'm down, I'm out, right? Tap me out, coach, whatever it is. This is where the power of dollar cost averaging really comes in handy. I love investing money when these positions are down because I'm taking, and let me just show you real quick. First off, let's look at VOO. Again, that's our S&P 500 index, which today is down, 0.31%. This week, down 3.5%. Ouch, right? But you'd say ouch. Instead of saying ouch, I go, okay, there's an opportunity here. What do I mean? Well, let me show you. My average cost per share, do you see that over here to the right? I'm in it for $559, right, and 62 cents. That's the average cost of the two times you've seen now, episode 1 and episode 2, that I bought shares. Can't remember if last week was up or down, but you can see, right, compared to today, it's at $544. I'm gonna be buying, again, it's not a whole share's worth, it's fractions of a share. That's the beauty of Moola, allowing you to do fractional shares of big ETFs and stocks like this, in this case an ETF, an index fund. If my average cost is $559 and 62 cents, and today it's at $544.08, I'll be buying at $544.08 if I would stop talking here and actually trigger the buy. You would see that I would lower my average cost per share. It would come down, which means the S&P 500 doesn't have to come up as far for me to be profitable. That's how dollar cost averaging works. On the other side of that, our iShares Bitcoin ETF is really down 7% today. That's painful. And yet at the same time, I'm excited because I'm buying today. I'm buying at a 7% discount. Think about it. The $7 that I'm investing today, it has a very high likelihood of being some of my more valuable dollars I'm putting in here because, again, I'm bringing my average cost per share, which is $54.58. And I'm buying at $49.12. This is a deal. This is like shopping on clearance. That's how I look at all of this. So let's go ahead and let's take action on those. Let me get my numbers that we're using exactly. So it's 28 and 7 is what we've been doing based on our account history. You can see there. So let's go ahead and let's go to our VOO. Let's do it by dollars here. Oops. Do it by dollars. Review that order. We'll submit that order. And ba-boom, look, greatest of all time. It even says so. All right. I think I literally said ba-boom, and then the ba-boom came up. Can you wonder who came up with that idea to put that on the confirmation screen? Definitely not I. My wife came up with it for sure. All right, let's take our last $7 here and let's put it in. Let's make a valuable $7 here. It's gonna be a valuable $7. Let's go ahead. Let's review that order. Rough kind of week for the market. Certainly not ideal, but you know what? You could go, oh my goodness, down 7%. Like tomorrow, it's gonna look even worse tomorrow when you log in, right? It's about consistency. Stop trying to time the market. It's about timing the market. Stop opening the Moola app every day. That pains me to say it as the developer of Moola, but stop opening it every single day and refreshing constantly and looking at it, right? Open it once a week, right? Do your once a week little audit and go through it and continue. Stick with the strategy. That's what really counts. Hey, if you're jumping in here late, it's only episode 3. Like, subscribe, follow, and download the Moola app. It's not too late to catch up and do the $5 per day challenge with me. I'll see y'all.